Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious tiramisu. So first you can brew some espresso, leave it aside so that it can cool down. Then add some water to a pot. This pot needs to fit in your big large bowl. We're making like a water bath. It needs to be heat proof so that it doesn't shatter, of course. Then we're going to be adding our sugar and our egg yolks and whisking on a medium to low heat. This forms our custard, and you'll know when this has been completed successfully because all of the sugar will have dissolved. You won't be able to feel it on your fingers, and it will be a bit lighter and a tiny bit different in texture. It will feel a lot more like custard. This process took me about 10 minutes. And then you want to remove this from the heat and leave it aside. Let it cool down just for a few minutes before adding in your cheese. So we're using mascarpone for this. So then add in 425 grams of mascarpone cheese. And you can use a hand blender, but I just use my stand mixer because it's easier. Leave this aside. And then we'll begin forming our cream. So if you've got a stand mixer, you can use it. If not, in a large bowl, add 400 milliliters of heavy cream, give it a good whisk. In the double cream, you want the peaks to start forming, but you don't want it to be too stiff. As it's mixing, I add in my tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then you can gradually fold in the heavy cream into that custard mixture. You can do this gradually, just step by step, and make sure it's fully incorporated. Then to assemble, add your ladyfingers that have been dipped in the espresso to the tray, and we're going to be doing one row followed by the mixture we've just made, followed by the ladyfingers again, and so on. Here I'm using a scraper just to scrape that cream filling on top, and I'm dusting on some cocoa powder, which adds such a nice touch for flavour and decoration. The recommendation is to leave this to set in the fridge for about 6 hours before serving, and this is what it looks like. Nice cocoa top with a hint of espresso. I really hope you enjoyed that recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!